Tonight, on Wednesday evening, second night at Lolapalooza, we are having wings. And those are my barbecue baked beans. Hold on, I'll bring back and we'll go and show you the other stuff.
What's your timing, Chad?
This is Chad. Say hi, Chad. And he's also cooking some wings. And right behind him, we're cooking up some homemade macaroni and cheese. It's gonna be good. Okay. Go ahead. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Debbie of Gypsy Pear.
No, so her husband is around here somewhere. But she's doing, what are you doing again?
Boneless chicken wings, in other words, little pieces of chicken breast, and garlic parmesan. They're going to be garlic parmesan.
Oh yeah, they're going to be good.
Yummy.
They're going to be very good.
Right.
Billy is doing what he normally does best, trying to cook.
Trying to cook.
Yeah.
Hashtag Uncle Steve's Shake.
Yes, we will be doing hashtag Uncle Steve Shake. This is what we're putting on the chicken, and it's going to be very good. This is the other half of Gypsy Pear, Dennis. And he's being the supervisor.
Yeah, at least he's talking. On video. Oh my.
Hey, I can be quiet now.
No, it ain't happening. I got proof now. This is Rhonda from Strong Adventures. The better half.
Yes.
Yes. She's making some garlic bread. Oh my God, it's gonna be good.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, that garlic butter looks good. Come on, focus in. There it is. Alright, here we go.
Brownie.
Well, it's food served, but only one uncapped.
Garlic bread.
We got wings, things, and everything else.
Look at those beans that Saucy made. And then everything's covered.
See that? We got some taters, salad, macaroni
We all got our
salad.
cameras.
Of course, everybody's got their camera going while we're doing this.
I don't know whose plate.
What did he call his? Yes.
Anyway, we got some bread.
It's like
we
a
got
summer
some
salad.
Homemade,
That's like
homemade
a
garlic.
pasta salad,
Smells.
summer salad.
It smells yummy.
And we're going to see what people think about Uncle Steve's Shake.
They're not close right now.
That one nice.
This barbecue sauce, you can just put it on the side and just scoop it into your plate and
Take it. Look at these guys. I'm not going to get too much closer, so I'm going to zoom in. We have little visitors. Hold on, I got to back up a little bit because they're still coming toward me. Yep, lots of big red ants. And they weren't there yesterday. This is how much they've done since yesterday. Look at all that. Look how much they have taken out of the ground there. Wow. Well, in Texas, go big or go home.
9 to 11.
There goes Billy from Strong Adventures. He's getting pretty good at this. After a few refreshments.
Shut up, Saucy. I can't think when you're...
I was doing it on purpose. Remember all those times you picked on me?
Look, ain't you got a rowboat somewhere?
Yeah, on the 12th.
What are y'all pushing those boats?
I'll tell you in a minute. There, and this is Papa, Texas. Let's see if I can zoom out. Ooh, slid over it.
Nope.
Oh, look how close that is.
Boy, those look solid, don't they?
Oh!
And
I'm going to come in hot and knock them all off.
Eric, the nomadic fanatic. He needs a little help. Oh.
11-11. Way to go, Papa.
All right. Now this is Red from Red Alerts.
Hey, Saucy, don't get in the ants over
I'm
here.
not. I already took a video of them.
Come on now.
I'm better off on that other side.
That's what happens when you listen to Papa.
I know.
Come on,
I got
Billy.
too much of a...
Actually, I know.
When to sell you inch...
What's that? Short. A lot of short.
I don't feel so bad now.
All right, I did spend 3 days washing the trailer and the truck, so my arm is a little sore.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and use that as an excuse.
That's your story and you're sticking to it.
11-11?
Yep.
There goes Papa for the first swing.
I'm calling this rigged because it's Papa's board.
When you take away one...
Almost, but not quite.
So now you really
There
got to
goes
shoot
Eric.
At it.
Ooh. Ah, Eric, I got it on film. I got it on video.
Eric, see? I know. That's the way it goes.
I got it.
That was
You
good.
get one. You get one.
There's Margie and Jeff
You made 3.
You got 3, I had 2.
from RV Ashes in April. There we go.
12 to 11.
Now we have C-Dub's Journey playing. That's Red Alerts is still playing. And we have Dennis from Gypsy Pear. And Rhonda, she's the other half of Billy and Rhonda's Strong's Adventures. And I missed her getting it in the hole.
Oh, I didn't put a curve on it. All right. Yeah, there's one on the board.
Okay, Red, let's see how well you do.
Knock it off or cancel it. Missed the board, missed the board. Stay off, stay off, stay off. Yeah, woo, we get even.
All right, who's going first? Okay, Rhonda is orange, so let's see if she gets it.
Oh. You're aiming at red, right? Mr. Bojangles, yes.
I think it's questionable if she's aiming.
I know, right? I'm just throwing. Oh.
Oh, that was a close one.
Now stick it over in the hole again. Oh, it's over. I knew that was going over. It went to north.
Cheer, Rhonda, cheer!